Hello everyone, myself Neha Sharma, Assistant Professor from Sant Haridas College of Higher Education. Students, our today's topic is selection. What is selection? As we know that selection of candidates begins where the recruitment ends. So selection involves a careful screening and testing of candidates. Selection process are different from job to job and from enterprise to enterprise. So the main purpose of the proper procedure of recruitment and selection is to find out the main right man for the each job. So what is selection? Selection is the process of making a hire or no hire decision regarding each applicant for a job. Selection is the process of choosing qualified individuals who are available to fill the position in the organization. Selection is the action or fact of carefully choosing someone or something as being the best and most uh, suitable. Now, meaning of selection. Selection can be explained as the process of interviewing the candidates and evaluating their qualities which are required for a specific job and then choosing the suitable candidates for the position. The selection of a right applicant for a vacant position will be an asset to the organization which will be helping the organization in reaching its objective. Now, definition of selection. Selection is the process in which candidates for employment are divided into two classes, those who are to be offered employment and those who are not. So, selection is a process of choosing the right candidate from a pool of applicants. This process is established to achieve a good match between the job requirements and the candidate skills and motivation. Now, selection criteria. What is selection criteria? Actually, the key selection criteria are the skills, attributes, knowledge, and qualifications that the employer has defined as being essential for satisfying the requirements of the job and can be found in every position description. So, the selection of you can say that selection of an employee is based on following criteria: the formal education, experience and past performance, physical characteristics and personality characteristics. So all these are selection criteria. Now come to the selection process. Yes, a good selection process will ensure that the organization gets the right set of employees with the right attitude. So the selection process can include following steps like first is preliminary interview, receiving applications, screening of applications, employment test, interview, reference checking, medical examination and final selection. So in preliminary interview, it is also called a screening interview, wherein those candidates are eliminated from the further selection process who do not meet the minimum eligibility criteria as required by the organization. So the in here the individual are checked to for their academic qualification, skill set, family background, their interest in working with the firm. Now next is receiving applications. When once the individual qualifies the preliminary interview, he is required to fill in the application form in the prescribed format. So this application contains the candidate data such as age, qualification, experience, etc. This is information helps the interviewer to get the fair idea about the candidate and formulate questions to get more information about him. Next is screening applications. Yes, once the applications are received, these are screened by the screening committee who then prepare a list of those applicants whom they find suitable for the interviews. So the shortlist criteria could be age, gender, qualification, experience of individuals, etc. etc. Once the list is prepared, the qualified candidates are called for the interview either through a registered mail or emails. Next is employment test. Yes, in order to check the mental ability and skill set of an individual, several tests are conducted such as intelligence test, aptitude test, interest test, psychological test, personality test, etc. So these tests are conducted to judge the suitable of the candidate for the job. Next is employment interview. When the one session with the candidate is conducted to gain more insight about him, here the interviewer asks question from the applicant to discover more about him and to give him the accurate picture of the kind of a job he is required to perform. So in this step, the briefing of certain organizational policy is done, which is crucial in the performance of the job. And through an interview, it is easier for the employer to understand the candidate's expectation from the job, and also his communication skill along with the confidence level can be checked at this stage. Next is checking references. Yes, when the firm usually asks for the references from the candidates to cross check the authenticity of the information provided by him, these references could be from the educational institute from where the candidate has completed his studies, or from his previous employment where he was formally engaged. These references are checked to know the conduct and behavior of an individual and also his potential of learning new jobs. The next is medical examination. Yes, here the physical and mental fitness of the candidates are checked to ensure that he is capable for performing the job. In some organization, the medical examination is done at the very beginning of the selection process, while in some cases it is done after the final selection. So thus this stage is not rigged and can take place anywhere in the process. So the medical examination is an important step in the selection process, as it helps applicants' physical ability to fulfill the job requirements. The next is final selection. Finally, the candidate who qualifies all the rounds of selection process is given the appointment letter to join the firm. Now selection process has been closed. So thus the selection is a complex and lengthy process, as it involves several stages that an individual has to qualify before getting finally selection for the job. So all these are steps of selection process. Now, importance of selection process. Yes, why selection process is important? Selection is one of the most important of all function in the management of personnel. So selection process is very important. So the three main points are here. The first is procurement of suitable candidate is possible. Yes, only suitable candidate who are fit for the job are selected from among the prospective candidate for employment. So selection process is by which only desirable candidate are hired and others are denied the opportunities. Next is good selection reduce the cost of training and development. Exactly. Proper selection of candidate reduce the cost of training because qualified personnel have better grasping power. They can understand the techniques of the work better, and therefore the organization can develop different training program for different persons on the basis of their individual differences, thus reducing the time and cost of training considerably. Next is proper selection resolves personal problem. Yes, proper selection of personnel reduce personal problems in the organization. because in many problems like labor turnover, absenteeism, and monotony shall not be experienced in their severity in the organization. Labor relation will be better because workers will be fully satisfied by their work. So that's why selection process is very important for every organization. I hope you understand the topic. Thank you. Thank you so much.